Okay. I started it already.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So currently, if we look at the price action here, this is what I have. This is a low here that was broken. Another high that was broken here. This is going to be my chop. That's change of character. Then this years. Okay, here now we have the intention that market wants to continue on uptrend, isn't it? So
Okay, yeah.
market has given us its intention. If we look at it from, let me check the other blocks around here now. We have to start buying from discounts and not premium. So anything below, any other block below this 50% is a valid other block for us to start looking for long. Are you getting it?
Okay.
So from here now, this would be an other block, a valid one. Let me just remove this. This is going to be a valid one. I've not refined it yet. Let's just mark it the way it, are you getting it? The way it is. This is a valid one. Then we have another one here. This little doji candle. But I might not be marking that doji because of this weak trick. This weak here. Before a candle can close like this, I mean this particular candle here, before a candle can close like this, there is a force coming from below that pushes it back up. Let's go to a lower time frame. Apart from that, we should be able to see something inside that week. I guess there should be something inside that week. Do you see it? Can you see it?
Yeah.
That's another valid point to look for our entry model, and this is the last one. So for EU, I will only be looking for long for this coming week because of this intention. That doesn't mean the markets can break through all this and continue on downtrend. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
This doesn't confirm it yet for us because on higher time frame now, we don't have confirmation of order flow yet. We only have market intention.
Yeah.
This can just be a grab of liquidity that is above here, and probably market is rejecting from any of the other blocks present from this break of structure.
Okay.
So this is what I have for EU. So if I go to the smaller time frame for refinement, let me see what I have. Well, actually, I think we don't need to do refinement for now. I will update the way it's going to be during the week. I'll put it in the chat. You get it? Let's just leave the other block the way it is, because I had a trade last week Wednesday on GU. I refined the other block too much. So where I was expecting to start looking for confirmation, it already happened. So this is what we have for EU already. Let me check for GU. So though GU also gave us that kind of intention, all this place, this is imbalance here, right? So we are thinking market can be looking forward to, coming to these points or even go up beyond that. Why I'm having a bullish bias on GU as well is this. There is a candle close above that high. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
We have a candle close above this high. So it's a valid, what's it called? Change of character. The candle close above that high. So for now, we'll be looking at these points for entry. We're looking at this other block for entry. Before I cleared my charts for the week, I had another block here. I marked here as another block. Well, market already break it even at the close of the week. So it's no longer valid. Reason being that, I told you, any, what's it called? Any other block below the 50%, the point of equilibrium, because not all the time you see market retrace fully before continuing its direction. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So that's why we tend to look for other block from this point, from the point of 50% downward, because we want to buy at discount and sell at premium. This is our discount zone. This is our premium zone. So this now, why I won't be refining this much was this little candle that is here, this one. This candle here is a valid order block. Because if we are to read price accurately here, I don't think we have much imbalance. There's no imbalance here. Do you see it? We don't have any imbalance here. We don't have any imbalance left. But the only thing now is market can be looking to deep into this week. Because if you look at this week here, because if you look at that week, definitely that's where buyers came in here. So let's just leave it the way we marked it on the bigger picture. Well, I can split it like this. Let me leave it this way. So any form of reaction from this point down to this point, I'll start looking for entry, because even on this little time frame, without going to the daily time frame, this is a break of structure. And this is a valid change of character. Are you getting it? So from here now, from this point, we can start looking for long entry from this point, because we have a valid break above here. We have a valid break above here. This is what I have for GU. Nothing much. So for AU, my bias is still kind of not shown yet, because if we look at this, if we really look at this,
doesn't broken structure yet.
Yeah, now you get it. And if you look at the daily, what I saw on the daily is this. Though this is a break of structure here. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
This is a break of structure here. So this might be the retest of this other block that broke this structure. So we might see it continuing down. That's one. I saw this too. Are you getting it? Just looking at the bigger picture, not restraining myself to this little picture. So this was a break of structure. And for this is a valid order block here. This is another valid order block here.
Question, please.
Oh, you could come on, ask.
Okay, so the second place you mark as the valid order block is that the order block that broke the structure down?
This one? Or this? Huh? Hello.
I think she's gone.
Hello.
I think she's still there.
She's there. I don't know. Maybe probably her network or so. I'll wait for her when she comes back. Okay. So this is a break here. So this is a valid order block. So I might be looking at this point now as okay. This is a potential point that it might be a build of liquidity, early sellers. Are you getting it? We might have a case of early sellers and everything. Are you getting it? So I'm still looking at this because AU cannot be selling while EU and GU are buying. Are you getting it? It can't be on downtrend ahead. That's why that's why I just recommend trading one particular pair. If you look at my watch list, I only have NZD USD, GBP USD, Euro USD, and AU. This is DXY, dollar index. So for this, if you look at the smaller time frame, this little picture right here, this little one, I'm not even talking about the bigger picture at the moment. This little picture, we have a valid intention that market wants to change its trend. Are you getting it? Let me go to the 4 hour. I think it's too wide like this. So here we have this. We have this break here. We have this here. So if this is an impulse leg, you didn't get it. So we have to look at our wow. Okay. If we have to look at this, we have that blocks from here. This is another one here. And the last one down here. But we might not be seeing it. Wow.